Hi, my name's Kate and I'm the office manager at Evolution Arts. You might have come across Evolution when we were based at Western Road, but we've now moved down to a lovely new base at Brighton Buddhist Centre. We still have a varied programme of courses and workshops. So we do a number of art and craft classes. For example, I do needle felting, but we have a broad spectrum of art classes. We also do body works. We have regular yoga drop-ins and yoga courses. And we do all sorts of workshops like nutrition and women's wellbeing retreats and other courses that are good for your health and well-being. We also have a mix of other things, including our popular ukulele course with Zach. So in terms of our art classes, we have a number of long-standing tutors, including the lovely and colourful Dinah, who runs our very popular acrylic and learning to draw courses. We also do discoveries through drawing, which is a sort of personal journey through artwork, and a very popular Artist's Way course, which looks at rekindling your creativity.
Hello, my name's David Weiss. I'm one of the trustees of the Evolution Arts Centre, which is based here in the centre of Brighton and is part of the Brighton Buddhist Centre, our sister organisation. I'm a practicing Buddhist, which is one of the reasons that drew me to Evolution Arts, which is a Buddhist-based business, so you don't have to have anything to do with Buddhism to be involved with Evolution Arts. That's not our intent. Evolution Arts was established many years ago to promote the arts and to promote well-being, because that's part of the Buddhist ethic. So the Buddhist ethic is very much about caring for other people, encouraging other people to care for other people, and promoting the well-being of people. And that was the thinking behind the setting up of Evolution Arts around about 25 years ago. So recently, the last year or so, we've recently moved into the premises that are the Brighton Buddhist Centre, and we share those premises at Brighton Buddhist Centre. And we do many of our classes here, and we do a number of classes in other satellite locations around the city centre. So Evolution Arts was organised and set up around about 25 years ago on Buddhist principles, and it's a registered charity. It's a registered charity because we're a not-for-profit business. Our intention is to make art courses and well-being courses available to people in the local area. And we didn't want it to be a business that made lots of money or anything like that. We just wanted it to support the local area. So making it a registered charity was kind of a no-brainer. And then we're not-for-profit, which means if we do make any profit, we would pass the money on to what we consider to be a good cause.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I work in the office here at Evolution Arts, helping to put together and promote our exciting and broad range of courses and workshops. We used to be based in the Western Road, but during the pandemic we moved here to the North Lane in the heart of Brighton. We're surrounded by many great local independent shops and cafes and just about a 5-minute walk from the beach. It's a great location to work in. It's a great location for people to come and experience courses and workshops. In Brighton, we have several venues that we use for our offerings. We are lucky to be able to have 2 practice rooms here in the Brighton Buddhist Centre, which offer more of our mind and body based offerings. We are very lucky to be able to use Clark's Stationers in Bond Street, which is most people know it as a wonderful stationers, but upstairs there is a space which we use for our acrylics, drawing and painting classes. It's a fantastic, colourful, vibrant space where lots of local artists exhibit their work. So in the upstairs space, we deliver our art classes so people can be inspired by all the art around them in a very spacious, well-ventilated, open plan setting. We also use West Hill Hall, which is up in the Seven Dials area of Brighton. You can beginners guitar and beginners ukulele with our wonderful music teacher Zach. That's up there on Tuesday evenings at the moment. And during the summer, we are able to use a showroom houseboat. This is really kind of a unique venue to experience an art retreat, or there are also women's wellbeing retreats that we run on the, it's one of the largest of the showroom houseboats. Actually, I think it was originally a ferry boat. So if you live in Brighton and are feeling creative, you want to learn a new skill, find a new hobby, just explore your creative potential with like-minded people and have great fun at the same time, then check us out online. We're on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, or just pop into the centre and say hello. We'd love to see you. Thanks for watching.